And up here, if you go to the smaller rivers like the River Shin, where we're going to be going, if you go just for trout, they'll have brown trout and rainbow trout in the rivers. You will pay about £8 a day. But if you want to go for salmon, it's already about £35 a day. If you go to the really big rivers, a bit further south to the River Spey, Tay, those are the real big popular salmon fishing rivers. People come from all over the world to fish, for the privilege to fish there. You will actually pay upwards of £100 per day just for the salmon fishing. And a lot of times in the year you have to actually put them back. You can't even land them. For example, right now they're spawning, so you can't land them. You have to put them back into the river. So it's just for the sport alone. They charge you a lot of money. And then there's loch fishing, and that's the only fishing that's actually free. In the lochs, again, you'll find trout, pike, things like that. And that's the only place where you can actually fish freely.